Okay, so the final part of the face frame that we do today is to make some marks and place the face frame. So I'm going to make the masks by first of all putting the headgear onto Daphne. So Daphne, can you put a hand holding that forehead there? So you hold that back on the forehead there. So that's going to locate. Then I'm looking at a line drawing from the tragus to the ear to the eye, and I'll go back about 50 millimeters on that line. So again, Daphne, I'm measuring by your eye, so don't move around. So I'm going to go back on that line about 50 millimeters, and I'll make a little mark there. Okay, Daphne, can you swap hands? So bring this hand up, there, take this hand off, yeah, then turn around. So the tragus is here, so I'm going to measure back, again I'm measuring close to your eye, so about 50 millimeters, I'm going to make a mark about here. Alright, and that's there where we're showing it that. Alright, Daphne, so I'll pop that off, and then come and have a seat, sit back down here. Okay, head back, head back, head back. So now the final thing I want to do is I'm going to place the face frame in the correct position. So if you then smile Daphne. Okay, I'm going to see the centre line, so I'm going to mark the centre line on Daphne just on the top front edge here. Okay, so that's marked that centre line there. I'm then going to take the face frame and I'm going to put the face frame in, so I'll check this is well centred, and I'll put the face frame here. Now experience has told me that that face frame's got to be up a little bit into her nose because they always slip down. I'll smooth that out a little bit. So that face frame has to get pushed a little bit high up. So I'm checking that it's centered on here. It's pushing up into our nose a little bit, and I'll take 2 blobs of elastic. I'll put 1 blob white wax, and I'll put another blob here. So that then seems to line up. I'll take my fingers away. Everything seems to line up very nicely. Okay, so that's all done, ready. So that's all I need to do with Daphne present. I'll then pass it over to Inga. She'll pour some acrylic over this to make a hinge. She'll stick a pigtail here. She'll stick a pigtail here. She's going to trim around the back here and then put some felt lining onto it so that it's comfortable.